This 2026 Forest River Cedar Creek Experience 39 RKB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 3 inches in length and features a Tuscan interior, sleeps 8, TV antenna, microwave, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, slide-out, refrigerator, LP detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, water heater, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-bunk, mid-living area, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Cedar Creek Experience 39 RKB is 14,484 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.